Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about what is CSS and just briefly why you should use CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes exactly what elements should look like, their color, their height. Just like in a newspaper, CSS saves you a lot of time and it makes your website a lot easier to create. You write your styles in another file, and the file extension of this file should be .css. Why should you use CSS? It's just basically, if you use inline styling, it makes your HTML a lot more clustered. You don't know what's going on anymore. We'll talk about how you import these files into your website later on. For the time being, all you've got to know is that we're going to write our styles in a file with an extension of .css, and we name the file normally after the feature that we're building. So I hope this short introduction into what CSS is has been helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check that notification bell so you get notified when the next video comes out. Thanks very much. Bye.